WRTV investigates now. A former daycare director has pleaded not guilty to allegations she gave children melatonin without the parents' consent. Tanya Voris was the executive director of Kids Life Childcare Ministry in Cumberland. She's charged with 11 counts of neglect of a dependent and 6 counts of reckless supervision by a child care provider. Records show she entered a plea of not guilty. She's due back in Hancock County Court in early April.
Voris was fired from Kids Life Childcare Ministry. WRTV Investigates has learned the state agency that licenses and inspects child care facilities can't take action against Kids Life Childcare Ministry. WRTV's Kara Kinney explains why that is.
Kids Life is an unlicensed registered ministry that does not accept CCDF federal vouchers. That means while the state can cite them for basic health and safety issues, they have no authority at all to take action against Kids Life for allegedly dispensing melatonin to children without parental permission.
Kids Life operates legally, but they're not licensed and they don't accept federal vouchers. That means the state's Family and Social Services Administration cannot cite them for improper administration of medication, vitamins, or supplements. Had the melatonin case happened at a licensed child care center or licensed child care home, the state would have authority to take enforcement action against the facility. FSSA tells us licensed programs have health and safety laws and rules that cover medications, safe environments, and documentation surrounding medications. The requirement to provide a safe environment includes ensuring that medication is locked up or made inaccessible to children and that any physician order, parental written permission, or over-the-counter directions are followed and medication is correctly administered. FSSA can check for this at licensed child cares during a routine inspection or when acting on a complaint. If they find a facility is in violation, they can put them on probation or decertify them from accepting CCDF. As for Kids Life, FSSA did conduct an inspection days after Tanya Voris's arrest. The inspection found one employee's fingerprints were expired, making them unqualified to work there. And their consent form that would allow FSSA to get fingerprints is also expired. On December 28th, FSSA also found a safe sleep violation at Kids Life, as well as cleaning chemicals labeled "Keep Out of Reach of Children" were accessible to children. Both issues were corrected on January 2nd.
We reached out to Kids Life about their recent inspections, and we are still waiting to hear back from them. Working for you, Kara Kinney, WRTV.